There are various applications that require the use of a drill. And when compared with other options, cordless drills are quite easy to use since they do not need a power socket. Although you have to consider the following factors while buying a cordless drill. Chuck size. The easiest way to differentiate between different cordless drills is to check their chuck size. As you would expect, this allows you to make sure that you are buying the correct size drill bits. You can find chuck size options like inch and inch while buying a cordless drill. Battery power. Cordless drills use battery power for their functioning. Due to this, the battery power offered by them is quite important to know. You can find options like 18-volt or 20-volt batteries in most cordless drills where a 20-volt battery will perform better. Motor speed. You can also check the motor speed to make sure that a given cordless drill performs as per your needs. Just like various other power tools, the motor speed of a cordless drill is given as 1200 RPM or 1500 RPM. And as you would expect, the 1500 RPM cordless drill will perform better than the 1200 RPM one. So, let's get started. Number 8. Cobalt 24-volt max lithium-ion 1/2 inches cordless brushless drill. Features of this product. Cobalt is a fairly unknown brand of power tools when compared with other power tool brands. But if it offers high-performance options like its cordless drill. While this cordless drill from Cobalt is slightly on the expensive side, it offers a 24-volt battery. This battery is quite powerful when compared with other options. It is used to power its inch chuck size for great drilling performance and high motor speeds. Another great thing about this cordless drill is that it is the most durable option present in this article. You get a 5-year warranty along with decent build quality. The next is Number 7. Ryobi P2081 Plus 18V Lithium-Ion Drill Driver Kit. Features of this product. Ryobi is one of the most popular value for money power tool brands out there. You can even find various cordless drill options from Ryobi, including the one mentioned here in this article. The Ryobi P2081 Plus cordless drill is one of the cheapest drill options present in this article. And even then, it comes with an inch chuck size. While this is powered by an 18-volt battery system, you get decent performance out of it. This is possible as it uses a 24-gear system. Even though this is a budget cordless drill, you get a 3-year warranty with it. You even get useful features like inbuilt LED lights in this drill. It offers an ergonomic rubber grip that is quite comfortable and provides a decent grip while using this drill. The next is Number 6. Makita XFD 13118V LXT Cordless 1/2 inches Driver Drill Kit. Features of this product. Makita is one of the more premium brands of power tools out there. And as you would expect, it also offers cordless drill options, including the XFD 131. The Makita XFD 131 comes with an 18-volt battery that can be found in various other Makita power tools out there. But despite its lower voltage rating, this battery can offer excellent performance in this cordless drill. You get to choose from 2 motor speeds that include 500 RPM and 1900 RPM. Since this is much higher than other options out there, you get an excellent drilling performance. Its inch chuck size is powered by an 18-volt battery that is rated at 3.0 Ah. As a result, you can expect a great battery life from this cordless drill. Since this drill uses a brushless motor, it is quite silent and smooth. You also get a 3-year warranty with this motor since it is quite reliable. And just like other Makita tools, this one also has a great build quality that means that it can easily last for a long time. The next is Number 5. Craftsman V20 Cordless Drill Driver Kit. Features of this product. Craftsman offers various kinds of power tools that can be quite handy for different applications. It also makes a cordless drill that offers various things for its given price tag. This Craftsman has a comparatively lower price tag when compared with other cordless drills. Even then, it offers a 20-volt battery pack that power its inch chuck size. As a result, you can expect decent performance from this drill. You also get a 3-year warranty along with great build quality. As a result, it can easily last for a long time. Its 20-volt batteries take 60 minutes or less to fully charge. And just like various other options, it offers 2 motor speeds that go up to 1500 RPM. The next is Number 4. PorterCable 20V Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit. Features of this product. PorterCable is one of the oldest and highly popular brands of power tools. It offers power tools of all shapes and sizes, including this cordless drill. As per the name of this cordless drill, it is a pack of 2 that comes with a combination of 2 cordless drills. Due to this, it offers great value for money, and it can be a great option if you need multiple drills for commercial usage. One of these drills has a chuck size of inch that uses the 20-volt battery to offer a drilling speed of up to 1500 RPM. On the other hand, the second drill has an inch chuck size that is powered by the same 20-volt battery. But unlike the previous option, this one comes with a motor speed rating of up to 2800 RPM. Both of these drills offer a great build quality along with a 3-year warranty. You also get other useful accessories included in this kit that make it a great value for money option. The next is Number 3. KIMO Cordless Drill Driver Kit. Features of this product. KIMO is a comparatively smaller brand of power tools that also makes cordless drills. But its cordless drill has a high user rating due to the accessories and features that it offers. This KIMO cordless drill is present in the 3rd position in this article, as it comes with various accessories. It includes things like a carrying bag, battery, charger, various screwdriver bits, drill bits and brushes. As a result, this is a great value for money product, especially when you consider its affordable price tag. You get a 12-volt battery in this cordless drill that is quite powerful for the given price. Just like the previous BLACKDECKER cordless drill, this one also comes with an inch chuck size. Thankfully, it has a decent drilling performance due to its 18+1 clutch. You get 280 inch-pound torque in this portable cordless drill that allows you to drill into various materials with ease. It offers a decent build quality along with a 2-year warranty to its users that is always great to have. The next is Number 2. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Drill. Features of this product. BLACK+DECKER is a highly popular brand of power tools that is mainly known for making affordable options. And this is also true for the BLACKDECKER cordless drill mentioned here in this article. BLACK+DECKER's LDX 120C cordless drill is present in the 2nd position in this article, as it is one of the cheapest cordless drill options available out there. But it is still able to offer a lot of things for its given price. While it has a slightly smaller inch, you get a pretty good drilling performance with it. This is possible because it uses a 20-volt battery to power its motor. You also get an 11-position clutch in this cordless drill that can be quite handy for many users. And you can even change the drill speed if needed for drilling into softer or harder objects. A great thing about this cordless drill is that it comes with multiple accessories that make it an excellent value for money option. Since this is a budget cordless drill, you only get a 2-year warranty with it. Thankfully, the build quality is quite decent in this BLACKDECKER drill. The next is Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill. Features of this product. DEWALT is one of the most popular and mainstream brands of power tools. As it offers various kinds of power tools, you can also find cordless drills options made by DEWALT. The DEWALT DCD771C2 is present in the first position in this article, as it is a high-performance cordless drill. It comes with a 20-volt battery that is responsible for powering its inch chuck. You get a motor speed of either 450 RPM or 1500 RPM depending on your speed setting. And this is more than enough for most users for easily drilling into different objects and surfaces. As this is a reputable brand of power tools, DEWALT offers a 3-year warranty with this cordless drill. You also get a decent build quality that means that it can easily last for a long time without any issues. This cordless drill has an ergonomic handle that offers both grip as well as comfort while using it for drilling into different surfaces. It even comes with various useful accessories. So this is the best option for you to buy. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.